heavy rain. But if the robins are out catching worms, I can be out catching something else. 3:30, March 24, 2025. You know where you are. Royalston. PWED. From Gardner to East Deerfield. Taking back mostly empties from the Providence and Worcester in Gardner. Heavy rain, occasionally turning to snow. It's that cold still, even in the daytime in Royalston. 2 pieces of junk from Pan Am doing the honors. I believe this is the ED5 crew. They got taxied in from East Deerfield. Plastics, cement, Conrail quality, coil steel, grain from Frito-Lay, vegetable oil, grain, cement, plastics, cement, plastics, loaded car of scrap metal, plastics, Gallo wine from the West Coast. Plastics, vegetable oil, grain from Frito-Lay, cement, plastics, loads of scrap metal, plastics, more scrap metal, steel, corn syrup, plastics, all cars empty except for the scrap metal.